Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Facebook Watch not working problem. I found 4 different solutions for this problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to delete the data and cache files. For this, we click on Settings. Here we go to Apps. Then we click on Manage Apps. We write Facebook in the search section. Now we click on Clear Data below. Then we click on Clear Cache option and click OK. Now we click on Clear Data option again, and we click OK. This was our first solution. Now you can check if the problem is solved. If it is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to update Facebook. For this, we enter the Google Play Store. Then we type Facebook in the search section. We click on Facebook and check if there are any updates. If there is an update, we make the update. After following these steps, you can check if the problem is solved. If it is not solved, we will move on to our third solution. Our third solution is to check the shortcut settings. To do this, we enter Facebook and click on the 3 lines above. Click on Settings and Privacy below. Then we click on Settings. We find shortcuts in the Preferences section and click it. Then we enter the shortcut bar. Here we see Watch in the Hidden Shortcuts section. To remove this feature from Hidden, we click it and set it to Pin. Now we exit the settings and check if the Watch feature is available. As you can see, the Watch icon appears on my screen. If you still do not see the Watch feature, we have one last solution. Our fourth and final solution is to delete and reinstall Facebook. For this, we enter the Google Play Store. And we write Facebook in the search section. Then we click on Facebook and click on Uninstall. After the uninstall process is finished, we download the application again. After installing the application, you can enter your account information again and check if the problem is solved. We have come to the end of our video. I hope these solutions worked for you and you got rid of the error. If the video worked for you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to get rid of such errors. Take care and see you in the next video.